Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to download Messenger history. Here are the detailed steps to download your Messenger chat history on your mobile device. First is to open the Facebook app. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right or bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings. Scroll down to the Your Account section. Tap Account Center. Look for your information and permissions and tap it. Then tap Create Export. Choose your Facebook account. Choose Export to Device. Here, tap Customize Information. Under Choose Specific Info to export, tap Clear All. And only check the box next to Messages and tap Save. Now, scroll up and adjust date range, format, and media quality if you want. Go to date range. Choose all time or a specific period. And tap Save. Format. Choose HTML, easy to view, or JSON for data tools. And hit Save. Media quality. Choose high, medium, or low. Then tap Save. When done, tap Start Export. Facebook will start preparing your Messenger data. This may take a few minutes or hours. You'll get a notification when your file is ready to download. Open the Facebook notification or return to download your information. Tap Available Files, then tap Download, then tap Download to save your Messenger chat history to your phone. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.